Hi everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a few of the fancier things in Google Blogger. In the last video, I just showed you how to log in and create an account. So as you can see here, I have two accounts. One that I made last semester when I did blogs, and one that I created when I made the last video for you, No Parenthesis, which is taken from a line of an E.E. Cummings poem, and I think it's a great title for my blog. So for right now, I'm going to stick with that one. So we're going to click the Compose button. Okay, so what you can see here is a blank slate. We don't want to compose in HTML unless you are one of the members of the Peanut Gallery in the back of the classroom and you know how to code. So the rest of us, don't worry about that. And you can see what these are. We've got an undo, we've got a redo, which you just undid. You could select a font size, obviously bold, italics, underline, and strike through. You could change the color of your text. You could highlight things. Oh, this is background color. You could embed a link, which I could show you how to do. Embed a picture, which is what I want to talk about today. I can insert a video, which I may do because my blog is going to be about a public service announcement. It's actually about a commercial parading as a public service announcement. Here's where you could check your alignment, lists, bullets, spell check, all of that. Up here we have preview, which is going to show you what your blog post looks like to those who are logging in to see it. Save is what you could do to save your changes but not post them to the world. And publish is the final step when you want to make it public to everybody. So I've been composing my blog in Microsoft Word. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. And I'm going to take the first portion of it. As you can see, I am still down here at the bottom. I have things that need to be integrated. I've got topics for my paragraphs, and I've got a quote that I want to integrate. But the first part of it is working pretty well for me. I'm going to take all of this. I'm going to hit Control-C, which is going to copy it. I'm going to bring it on over. Okay, so now I have this. I'm going to insert some page breaks here. And about now, what I'm wanting to do is have an image. So I'm aware that I'm writing about the Like a Girl campaign. And so I just did a quick image search. And some of these are images that I've taken from that are from the actual PSA, and some of them are from other things. I got distracted by this little guy right down here. I also like this one, I Fight Like a Girl. She's all Rosie the Riveter tough. So, you know, I did a search and some stuff came up. I've already collected a picture. I'm going to start with that one. So if I want to embed a picture, I'm going to put this right here. Let's put it right here, actually. Oh, good. Okay, I'm going to choose a file from my computer. So many files. Let's see what I've got here. There it is. I'm going to open that. My friend's posting things on Facebook. All right, I'm going to add selected. Okay. Now I have an image in the middle of my blog post. Okay. If I highlight it, I get some options down here. I could say what size I want the picture to be, small, medium, large, which I like it as medium, left, center, or right, and I could add a caption. What I want to do is pull that to the left. Now, did you see what just happened? Because I had text already beneath it, when I selected to move the photograph to the left, what happened was it auto-formatted text wrapping. So now I look like a very professional blog with my words wrapping around my image. Okay, we're going to click Save. I do need a title on my post. Okay, let me click Save one more time. And we're going to preview. So you can see my preview is loading in one tab over. So here's how it's looking right now. It's a little pale, it's a little white. I might choose a new background for it. I'd also like to embed the video, and I need to finish working on the analysis part of my draft down here. So I have a little bit of work to do, and then I will come back, and in the next video we're going to talk about how to embed those videos right there, and maybe I'll show you one more time about inserting an image. But really, this is all you've got to do. You've got to write your analysis, like create your draft, and plug it into this template. One last thing I will comment on is if you are looking at my blog while we are talking about these things, I have a very low-key, informal writing voice in my blog. That's not a writing voice that I would have if I were writing a formal essay, but in a blog, that's exactly the kind of voice that you want. You want something personal that is about you, from you, to your reader, and you want to engage them. And you may have slang, you may have non-standard English, you want to still be grammatically correct and your spelling to be correct and your sentence fluency to be correct, but it's a really informal piece of writing. So just keep that in mind as you're writing, okay? I'm going to go ahead and stop this particular video, and I will see you back in part 2.